हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो आइए बच्चे शुरू करते हैं हमारा अगला चैप्टर जो कि है चैप्टर नंबर 2, personalizing Windows 11. Okay students, so let's learn about Windows 11 students. So Windows 11 has a new look and feel compared to other window versions. After installing Windows 11, the first thing we probably notice is the changes to the taskbar. There are a bunch of new icons all moved to the middle. These upfront changes are just the tip of the iceberg. The start menu is the center of those changes as it now lives in the middle of the screen. On Windows 11, we can alter various settings to change the design of the desktop and other aspects to make the experience more personal and fast refresh the field to avoid seeing same look every day. Okay students, so let's personalize Windows 11 students. And Windows 11 is a new look and new look in the versions of the Windows. Okay, so students, let's read fact folder. Microsoft confirmed a month earlier about the releasing of Windows 11. However, it was officially released on 5 October 2021. Okay students, now personalize recent activities. On Windows 11, the start menu is an essential component to launch apps and find virtually anything on the computer, including apps, settings, and files. One of the new features of the Windows 11 start menu is the recommended section. This section shows our recently added apps as well as our recently opened items. We can personalize the look of our start menu by turning these on and off. Okay, students, now follow the steps to customize the start menu. So now let's follow the steps, students. So you have to open the settings from the pinned section in the start menu. Then click on personalization, click the start page on the right side. Okay, then turn on or off on the turn on or off the show recently added apps toggle switch. Turn on or off the show most used apps toggle switch. Okay, turn on or off the show recently opened items in start, jump list, and the file explorer toggle switch. Okay, now when enabling the recently added or most used apps option, the start menu will show these items in the recommended section and the all apps list. Pinning apps to start. The pinned apps area on the start menu can be increased with recent builds. By default, the pinned and the recommended sections display in 3 rows. When we increase the apps section, the 4th row will be added, allowing us to pin more apps. Okay, now follow the steps to organize the pin section of the start menu, students. You have to click on the start icon of the taskbar, search for the name of the app in the Windows search, right click the app and select the pin to start option, then right click the app from the pin section and select the move to top option to the position the item in the top left corner. Here's a fact folder given students. To open context menu, right click menu for the selected item and use the shortcut key Alt plus F10. Okay, and again a fact folder is given. One can also drag the item of the desired position in the print section. If we don't want a particular app in the print section, right click the app एंड सेलेक्ट द अनपिन फ्रॉम स्टार्ट और अनइंस्टॉल बटन. अगर स्टूडेंट्स आपको अनपिन करना है कोई भी ऐप और आपको नहीं चाहिए उस सेक्शन में, तो आप उसे अनपिन भी कर सकते हैं या फिर उसे डायरेक्टली ड्रैग कर सकते हैं उसकी पोजीशन. ओके, now changing background. Okay students, there are multiple ways to change the desktop wallpaper in Windows 11. The quickest way to make the desktop look different is by changing the background image, configuring a slideshow, or choosing a solid background color. It is now possible to set a custom background for each virtual desktop. Okay, follow the steps to change the background of the desktop, students. You have to open settings from the pin section in the start menu. Okay, now click on personalization, click the background page on the right side. Okay students, now under the personalize your background settings, select the picture option, click on the browse photos button, click the choose picture button, or we can select the sample background image to use on the desktop. Here we have used a sample background picture. Okay, choose a fit for your desktop image setting, select the fill option to ensure the image covers the entire screen. Okay, so this is how you can change the background color, students, or the background sample. Okay, now changing themes. A theme is a package that includes one or more background images, accent color, mouse pointer customization, and sounds. Windows 11 comes with 6 default themes with different wallpapers and settings, including Windows Light, Windows Dark, Glow, Sunrise, and Flow. We can change the color of the start menu to suit our needs. The color change will also impact the taskbar and our windows. Okay, now follow the steps to change the desktop theme, students. So first step is open settings from the pin section in the start menu. Second step is click on the personalization. Third step is click the themes page on the right side. Fourth step is Under the current theme setting, select one of the available themes. The theme will get applied to our computer. Okay, so this is how you can apply themes to your computer, students. Now, customizing desktop icons. How we can customize desktop icons, students? So Windows 11 brings along numerous UI changes that have been welcomed by the users for the most part. Customizing icons for individuals, app, folder, and shortcut is a great feature of the personalizing Windows 11. Hiding desktop icons. Okay, if we like a clean desktop, Windows allows us to hide all the icons so that the desktop is completely clean of icons. Okay, follow the steps to hide the desktop icons. You have to right click on the desktop, a menu bar will appear. Select view from that menu, then click the show desktop icons. This option toggles desktop icons on and off. Okay, packed folder. Windows 11 has a centralized location for majority of its settings app, from the system configurations to creating new users and updating Windows. All can be done from the system. All can be done from the system setting panes. To get the system setting, one can use the Windows key plus I shortcut or click on start then settings. Okay, hiding desktop icons. Windows 11 allows us to add some built-in icons to our desktop for easy access, such as file explorer, control panel, and recycle bin, which are useful in some cases. Follow the steps to unhide the icon, students. Okay, now let's unhide the icons. Go to the settings on the pin section in the start menu. Click on personalization. Select themes on the right pane of the screen as shown in the image. On the theme settings pane under related settings, click on the desktop icon settings. We can choose to show the computer's users files, network recycle bin, and control panel on the desktop. These icons on the desktop are useful as they help user get to essential settings quickly. Okay, now here's a fact folder given students. There are the list of shortcuts to jump to a certain icon size. We can press any of these shortcuts mentioned aside while we are on the desktop, and it will immediately change the icon size. So if you want to change the icon size to an extra large icons, you will click Control plus Shift plus 1, large icons Control plus Shift plus 2, medium icons Control plus Shift plus 3, small icons Control plus Shift plus 4. Okay, now students, what are the productivity features in the Windows 11? So new features in Windows 11 are catered towards productivity. The list includes redesigned file explorer, a new snap layouts, and the snap group features in more ways than one. These features are a step up from the snap assist counterpart in Windows 10, ensuring that we can get the most of our work done. Have a look at the new productivity features at the latest operating system. Okay, so Microsoft tweaked the notification center and introduced a quick settings panel. These are now in separate spaces. It is a change that matters as it makes these areas more useful. There are sliders for both the brightness and the volume of our PC. The volume slider even has a pop-up menu to let us pick our output source. Okay, even the Wi-Fi setting option has a pop-out menu to let us pick network directly from our quick settings. We can even see the calendar or control notification settings directly from the notification center itself. Okay, so students, during a busy day, these tweaks makes a huge time saving difference. It's now much easier to control setting PC without having to wonder where we need to go or run a search in the start menu or visit a settings app. Okay, so Windows widgets allows us to have useful mini apps on our desktop. Widgets are very reminiscent of the old lib tiles from Windows 10. Hit Windows key plus W or swipe from the left of the screen and we get a new space to find the information at a glance. There's no need to go to the web browser or pick up our phone. Windows widgets will allow us to get a snapshot of our scheduled task list, email, and a whole lot more. We can also view relevant news, stories, content, and more straight from the desktop. Okay, now students, Windows 11 users can start using the chat from Microsoft Teams on Windows. It is a signature lightweight experience brought right to the taskbar to let Teams personal account users quickly start a video call or chat with friends and family. Chat from Microsoft Teams is installed and pinned to the taskbar at Windows 11 startup. As for the chat app, it's quickly and easy way to stay in touch with family and friends. Powered by the personal version of Microsoft Teams, we can start video calls, send files, share media, etc. Microsoft even allows to chat with people who don't have Teams via SMS relay with a message telling them to download the app. Okay, now entertainment on the go, students. Microsoft worked very hard and made it store a respectable place to find the PC games. Okay, Microsoft integrated an Xbox Game Pass for the Windows PC so as the users can download any title directly. The Game Pass is available at the low monthly subscription fee, and users can buy games at discount and keep them in their library. Windows 11 is an operating system that not only ensures us to get work done, but that to relax and wind down too. Okay, it has been redesigned from the bottom up. Discovering apps is easier, app listings are clear to understand, and updating apps is now a simple process. Okay, students? So here we are done with the chapter, students. Then now let's go through the throwback points of this chapter. Windows 11 has a new look and feel compared to other Windows versions. Okay, the start menu is the center of the screen in the Windows 11. One of the new features of the Windows 11 start menu is the recommended section, which shows our recently added apps as well as our recently opened items. The quickest way to make the desktop look different is by changing the background image, configuring a slideshow, or choosing a solid background color. Okay, a theme is a package that includes one or more background images, accent color, etc. Windows 11 allows us to hide all icons so that the desktop is completely clean of icons. The new features of Windows 11 are catered towards productivity, and the list includes a redesigned file explorer and the new snap layouts and the snap group features. Okay, students. So we are done with this chapter, students. Hope you understood this chapter very well. और ज़्यादा अच्छे से students सब समझ में आएगा जब आप इस chapter का practical करेंगे, क्योंकि this chapter is practical based, students. Okay. So we will meet in the next video with our new chapter. Till then, students, keep revising, keep learning. Thank you. All the best. Okay.